Wemeli ke Mawhati constituency ba Charles Marngar ula kerpat ke sorkar lengba ke yingdor bar thau ain haka general discussion on budget ke balalong haka shiphoterik ulber hajar posan bon Pynurlong ikimat jingdawa ba kongsan jogi pajba ki balong kum kshibenta ki sti jingida ya ke jella ba ke Jingithuh ba kerpang iki jait ben riu Khasi ba Garo haka ri India. Kini kimat jingdawa ke bau ba Charles ula kentu ke sorkar bon Pynurlong no ki kentum ban itu kerpang no ika Ktien Khasi bat Garo daga ba penrung hapo jangka kernet ke ba pra ke ba bon kilakwa ban Pynurlong no yaka kenang ban penklain yaka tenrai haka Ktien bat sakawai pat kamat ke ba kam kongsan ban Pynurlong kloy no yaka inner line permit lane ka ILP hapo ke jella kumbala dap ban pas na 26 arajar kat kendai bat bon kipat ba haka jella kilakwa bat angnun ban yok no yaka jubab ke ba bha halor kane kaman.
Inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule. This August House on 27 November 2018 passed a resolution to include Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. We are all concerned about this as our people raise this issue with us daily. I know that our Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet have been tirelessly pursuing this matter with the Ministry of Home Affairs. But sir, as a member of this August House, I take this opportunity to remind our Chief Minister through this budget session that we are all waiting for a favorable outcome. ILP, Inner Line Permit, is one of the important issues that this House adopted and passed a resolution in the year 2019. I commend the leadership of our Chief Minister in this regard. But our people are asking, when will this be implemented? What is the status? I have no doubt that our Chief Minister has been diligently following up on this matter. But sir, since the House has already passed this resolution, we all want to see the results. As Adrian Rogers once said, whatever it is you want, sow it, plan it, and give it, and it shall be given unto you.